What if I told you the universe is screaming your name at 3:07 a.m., but you're hitting snooze on your worth? This isn't insomnia. It's your soul's emergency alert. Miss this and you'll miss amazing opportunities to manifest what you've been desiring. The 3 a.m. phenomenon. At 3 a.m., your doubt is asleep. Your subconscious, on the other hand, is writing love letters to your future self. Science calls this theta waves. I call it God is sliding DMs to you, saying, "Hey, superstar, are you ready to glow up?" How to respond. The astral order form. Fill it out. Write your desire like it's non-negotiable. Rent paid. Worthy of love. The universe hates vague. Be specific and own it. Here's a pro tip. Add the word easy to your command. $1,000 easily. Self-worth now. And watch the magic speed up. The energy anchor. Tap your chest and say, universe or God, creator, your word for higher power. Show me my worth, or show me the open doorways for what I desire. Or thank you for opening up the doorways to my desire. Thank you for showing me my worth. Does it sound aggressive? Good. Your peace is not polite. Here's a conscious hack. The first song that you hear after doing this ritual, after doing this process, is your mantra sent directly to you to support you right now. It could be Beyonce's Upgrade. Upgrade. You're getting an upgrade. The storm mode activation. If you can't sleep, yell, "Is that all you got?" at the storm. Chaos could very well be the universe telling me, "We have a plot twist and we're getting ready to deliver you the goods. You have won." And here's a pro tip. Find ways to replace fear with laughter. And if you put that program inside of you, your brain is going to scour for answers, especially at that time, because those millions of ideas in the subconscious mind have so many answers, and it will find the answer for you. Find ways to replace fear with laughter, and it will dissolve your fears. And the louder you cackle, the faster the blessings come. Why this works. 3 a.m. isn't for manifesting things. It's for claiming who you are. The money, the partner, your confidence. Those are just side effects. Those are just side effects of you, of your energy. Comment 3 a.m. worthy below, and that's you sending an order to the universe that you know your worth, and you will entertain people, experiences, opportunities, and things that support your worth. Yay, you. Write it on your phone. Write it on a piece of paper. 3 a.m. worthy. 3 a.m. worthy. May this have been of value to you. It was fun to do. And I am Carol, a true self unmasked. I am giving away 3 energy healings in a group setting this weekend, time to be announced. So if you're interested, just comment below that you're interested in being one of the 3. This video here will help you to be in control of your manifestation. So they're just not happening by default, by accident, that you could be in charge of them, the desired ones. So enjoy the rest of your day or night. And until next time, bye. Going back to sleep.